Hello and welcome to the TenKei ATM YouTube channel. This is part 7. This is a series we're doing here, and it could go on and on and on. Now it is to your benefit. This is part 7, being how to use the TenKei total profit target, part 7. What a mouthful, but it's worth it in the end. This is education. This education will help you to, money's not an ugly word, it's not a horrible word, it's not a bad word, but it will help you to earn money, generate an income. Now, if you were to look at parts 1 to 7, you'll see why. And as you go forward, you'll see even more. And I'll be learning more about this myself, because although we have this, we talk about it, when you talk to people about things you already know, you don't really learn much more. But when you talk to people about things you know, to which you're trying to explain to the person who does not know, you learn more. And we've learned a lot already about this ourselves. So we are still on inputs. You can see how this is, quite in depth. Inputs. Now I'm going to change this figure. Now I'm going to leave this figure. What am I doing? Now I'll leave it to 60 and 30. 60 and 30. 30 or 30. Okay, so now we're talking about the auto trading time. Okay, auto trading time. Auto trading time in the TPT means when it switches itself on, or when the auto trading over here switches on. So let's just get rid of this a minute. Close that down. Close that down. Look, we're on this GER 30, which means it's the German 30 or the DAX 30, the German market. H4 means it's a 4-hourly chart. I'm going to put this back to a 1-minute chart over here. I'm going to take this. I'm going to shove this back over here because I want the charts to be tidied up down there. That's it. So little things I like doing. But anyway, auto trading, where was I once again? Auto trading is on, and auto trading comes on, switches itself on each morning, in this case morning, whenever it gets to 7 a.m. in the morning. So this is a 24-hour clock. So if you decide, wherever you may be, if you are trading the Forex and you want to start trading the Forex, let's say is it the dollar yen? The dollar yen. Okay, the dollar yen, that will be around about, kicks off around about midnight, 1 o'clock in the morning or something like that. So if we type in 2300, that means your trades, or at least the TPT, will open at 2300 here at 2300, and you could use your personal EA if it has a setting where it switches itself on. 2300 is when this starts. Now in this case, the TenKei 7.0 EA, that has a separate time within it. I'm just going to jump over to that to show you real quick. Okay, so look at this EA. We go to inputs over here. We scroll down here, and we see this is set to 7 a.m. But this could be set to whatever time we want. You've got 3 separate times in here. You've got morning, afternoon, evening. You got the European session. You got a US session, right? And you got the Asian session, you could say. Okay, but so this could be set to any time that we want. So, say for instance we set our TPT to 2300 hours. We can say, okay, TPT, switch on at 2300 hours, but don't start trading until, let's say, 2330. Now, 2330 means 11:30 p.m. I met somebody who didn't know the 24-hour clock. You meet all types, don't you? But nice chap, but didn't understand the 24-hour clock. Just said he couldn't get his head around it. So 2330, 11:30. So if you have this within your EA, you can set that at 2330. So the trades will actually start kicking off and start looking for trades at 2330. But this over here will open the ability, start the ball rolling at, in this case, 2300, 11 p.m. So this doesn't open trades for you. The TPT does not open trades for you. What it does do, it manages trades for you. Whereas, once again, remember, we just jump back to this, when you hit a total profit target of whatever number it may be, in this case, say 12.5, it will shut down the auto trading. So you can't overtrade. If the trade goes against you, and you, let's put a figure in, let's see, what figure did I want before? I wanted, let me think, I want 12.5 times 3, don't I? All right, that's 37.5. Okay, so that's a decent number, which means if this, the total profit target, what we're after in this case, right? Example, if you're after 12.5 points and you lose 3 trades, it's normally if if you're manually trading and you lose 3 trades, it's going to equal 37.5. That means something's wrong. Your trading plan's wrong. Your mind's not on the game, etc. So you may as well stop. So the total profit target, and a total stop loss here. But the auto trading time it's set to start auto trading. It switches on the auto trading function at 2300. So that means if you choose to manually trade and say, okay, look, I can see this going up, 3 green candles, 3 green bars, I can see it going up, it's going up, so, and it's been as high as here before, so possibilities heading towards this, so you got a chance of it, from here, from this distance here where the arrow is to here, right? So there's some points in between here to get some points. You can say, okay, manually trade, I'm going to buy, and then once your profit target is hit, if it happens to be 12.5 points from here to there, right, from the top here to there, that means it will shut this down and all trades will be closed. That's it. So the auto trading time is a time that you would like the ball to start rolling. You'd like auto trading to be on. We set ours for 7 a.m. because we tend to look at the European markets, being the DAX, okay, 7 a.m. And at 7 a.m., good things happen. The markets do open and do start trading, because at 7 a.m. in the UK, where we're based, it is 8 a.m. in Germany. So they're already kind of up and about and doing their thing. And 9 a.m. or 3 minutes past 9, let's think, 3 minutes past 9 in Germany is when the markets open, or 3 minutes past 8 in the UK. Is that complicated? Well, for you who know, you know. For you who don't know, this is an education. We're going to teach you this. Teach you, and you're learning already. Okay, so that is the auto trading time, to which you can set to any time you want within the 24-hour clock. Using the TenKei TPT, you can trade any market you want. So let's just jump over here a minute, 7 a.m. Let's say okay. Let's just jump over here and look at some markets. View. I'm going to click on this little button up here, which is out of your view, and I'm going to go to what we call Market Watch. So right now, look at this, Market Watch. I've only got the Germany in there. So I'm going to explain some stuff about that, some information about that. Right click, go to Show All, got Hide All, because it's on Hide All at the moment. Show All. Show All will show us all the markets there are to be traded. Okay, so I'm going to mess up my stuff a little bit over here. So let me see. Come on, I want to be able to drag this over. Not you. Okay, you can see what's going on. So you'll be doing the same sort of thing. Drag it over so you can now see clearly. This is Germany. This is the DAX. This is the euro dollar. And then below that you got the dollar yen, cable dollar, dollar Swiss franc, euro Swiss franc, Aussie dollar. These are the forex markets. And if we scroll down, okay, it's been a bit laggard at the moment because I've got so many things running. All the different, the majors and the minors, for you who know forex, majors and minors all there. You've got oil, you got indices, the Nasdaq, the CAC France market, 40, the Nasdaq, S&P 500, the US, the Dow again, the Nikkei, Hang Seng, the US dollar by itself, just these are commodities now. This is just a lot. This is a lot. Somebody asked the other day about what was it? Bitcoin. I think Bitcoin may be in here, but you can trade Bitcoin using the TPT, right? All this is yours to trade. Okay. Now I don't want this up, and I don't want all these. I'm going to come back and explain what, if you have all these open, what it can do to the markets over here. But I'm going to right click, and I'm going to click on hide all. It hides it all, and look, got those three up there, and click that, close that, it goes back there. That's it for now. So remember, we were talking about the TPT, and we shall talk about the TPT in part 8. Thank you.